Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the next video. So in today's video we are going to discuss about how to find number of factors for a particular number. Okay, so for example I'll just show you what is the meaning of this, what is meant by number of factors, right? So let us say you have got one number and this may be 4. I have number, and here the 4 will be having these particular factors. Like one is the factor. A factor is basically the number which divides the given number completely. That means 4 divided by 1, the remainder will be equal to 0, and 4 divided by 2, yes, the remainder is equal to 0 for this one, and 4 divided by 4, the remainder is equal to 0. So a number is said to be factor if it gives remainder 0 whenever divided by the number whatever they are given. So for 4, the possible factors are 1 will be one of the factor, 2 is a factor, and again 4 is a factor. So similarly, if I consider 12, then I will be having 1. After that 2 also divides 12 completely. After that 3 divides completely. After that 4 divides completely. After that 6 divides completely, and at the end 12 divides completely. So I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors for 12. So if I take 5 as an example, then 1 is a factor and 5 is a factor. So 1 and 5 are the only factors for 5. So here the question is that we need to return how many factors are present for a particular number. In case of 4, there are 3 factors. So if I give input as 12, then it should return me these. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 factors. So the question is like that, guys, right? So once you got that one, let me just write the program for this one. Yeah, so it will be super easy, guys, and I have written some predefined text over here so that it will be easy for us to write the program. We will be using this text in every program, so that's why I have written previously. So package, and here you can see import I will take, and so import is to get all the libraries. Like I'm using the scanner class, so I need to use this one. Okay, so after that I have created a scanner variable sc, and I have written one message: enter the number whatever the user will be entering, that I'm storing inside a value variable called n. So now we have got the number from the user. So now I need to return for this particular number n how many factors are present. So let me just initialize one count to store how many factors. So I'll initialize and count to, let us say, 0, and after that I will use a for loop. So for int I is equal to 1, I will be starting with 1, and after that I should be less than or equal to n, and after that I plus plus. So if I write like this, then it will be starting the loop from 1 and running up to the number itself, right? So if the number n is completely divisible by n modulus I is equal to 0, that means it divides the given number completely, then I say it's a factor. Then I need to increment the count, count, count equal to, and count plus 1. I can write count plus plus also. That's a fancy way, and I don't want to go with that one. So that's why I written in a traditional way, count equal to count plus 1. So count equal to count plus 1 I have written, and this will make sure that each time the number is divided completely with a particular other number, it will increment the counter. Okay, and at the end I need to I need to write whatever count value I am getting. So I will write number of factors for, and here I will write n, or it's a capital N. Then number of factors for this n r, and here r should be written inside double quotes, and I'll just print here count. Okay, so this should be working, and let me just check, guys. Enter the number. I will enter 4. The number of factors for 4 are 3, it is saying. Okay, so number of factors for 4 are 1, 2 and 3. Yes, and let me just try for another one. like I'll enter 12. The number of factors for 12 are 6, and here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it is working fine guys, and it is giving me the number of factors. So this is the logic. This is the logic guys. Actually you can see over here, right? For int I equal to 1, we should start with 1 and run up to the number itself, and if any number divides the given number completely, then I should consider it as a factor, and for that I need to increment the count by 1. So that's the whole logic guys, and if you want to get this code, then definitely you can visit our website, and there you can find the code like this, the same code whatever I have written here, so you can just copy from the website. So that's why the link will be there in description, and also whatever explanation I have given, that will be written there, so you can just go through those things as many times as you want. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you in the next one, have a good day.